1 minute. Side lunges. Let's do this together. Let's go side to side, gently bending the knees and trying to touch the earth as close as you can. And remember, guys, you can do this sitting down. We made sure we had something for everyone. Yes, keep going, breathing in and exhaling out. If you're sitting down, make sure to bring your legs apart and you're going alternated sides. Yes, now we're going to extend the arms forward. And if you feel the burn, you're going to smile. The bigger the smile with the burn, let it match. Breathing in and exhaling out. Yes, we almost there. 1 minute's almost done. Yes, it is. I know it feels long, but you can do this. Yes, yes. I'm so proud of you. You're not giving up. Yes. Keep going. Yes. Yes, you can do it. 3, 2, 1.